bright future. Every student matters.
Hello students. In this session, we will be discussing the important questions of the first topic of 7th chapter, that was deforestation and its causes, right? So the first question is, what do you mean by deforestation? What is deforestation and what do you understand by this word? Students, deforestation, here you have to provide the definition of this word, which is only a 1 mark question, right? Not more than that. You just have to explain the meaning of this word. So deforestation means clearing of forests and cutting down of trees for other purposes. Now you can list down the purposes as well and you can explain in detail if this question is a 3 mark question. For 1 mark, you will only be providing the definition and nothing else. Alright? Next question. Write 2 natural causes of deforestation. You have to mention 2 natural causes of deforestation. Now what are these? First one is forest fires, isn't it? Second is severe droughts. Right? Due to these things, deforestation takes place naturally. There is no man-made factor involved. Next question. Mention man-made causes of deforestation. First one being land used for cultivation. So for cultivation, forests are cleared so that land is available for cultivation. Second is construction of houses and factories, right? When houses and factories are made, forests are cleared. Thirdly, basically these were the 2 main causes. The third is making of furniture and use of wood as a fuel, right? These are the 3 man-made causes of deforestation, right? Discuss the effects of deforestation on the following. First of all, wild animals. If their habitat, which is the forests, are taken away from the wild animals, then they become extinct. This is the effect on wild animals. Environment. Pollution is increased, right? And temperature of the earth's surface is increased. So environment is also getting deteriorated. Thirdly, villages. Villages, yes, there is an effect, but not that major, because there are not many factories present in the villages, not many vehicles present in the villages. So in villages, cultivation definitely takes place. So this cultivation is causing deforestation, which does not have the whole effect on that village, but on our environment, right? Cities. These are the places where the maximum effect of deforestation is seen, which is the increase in pollution and temperature. This is the effect on cities. The earth, yes, definitely. All these effects are happening to the earth only. Then the next generation. Yes, we are reducing the natural resources present for the next generation. We are using all the resources. So yes, the next generation will definitely suffer very much due to all this, right? The second question is, explain how deforestation leads to reduced rainfall. This I have already explained in the lecture. The temperature increases, due to which rainfall is reduced, right? You can watch the lecture again. This is a very important question. This will help you. This can be easily a 3 mark question and minimum 1 mark question. If it is a 1 mark question, you will simply provide 1 statement explaining the concept. Alright? What do you mean by desertification? Desertification is basically land becoming desert where no vegetation grows. Right? So basically land becomes desert where no vegetation grows. This is known as desertification. And how does this happen? This is again a consequence of deforestation only. Right? Next question. What are the effects of deforestation on soil? On soil, the water retaining capacity. The water retaining capacity of the soil is reduced. Right? The water retaining capacity is reduced. So basically, this is the effect on soil, and also the soil washes away the topmost layer of soil. Topmost layer of soil washes away, which has all the nutrients and humus, due to which the lower layer comes on top, which is hard and lacks humus. So this is the effect on the soil. That deforestation causes these effects on the soil, right? What do you understand by protected areas? Which activities are prohibited in these areas? Protected areas are the large pieces of land earmarked for the protection of wildlife, that is plants and animals. Right? Now, which activities are prohibited? And you can also say that there are three kinds: first, second and third. First one being wildlife sanctuaries, second being national parks, and third being biosphere reserves. Right? Now, activities such as plantation, cultivation, grazing, poaching, hunting are prohibited in these areas. Alright? Second question, define wildlife sanctuary, national park and biosphere reserve. You can watch the lecture for this. Wildlife sanctuaries are the areas where we basically talk about the increase in population of the species which are on the verge of extinction. The national park is a smaller version of wildlife sanctuary. Biosphere reserve is a larger piece of land in which the animals and plants live together with the tribal human beings, right? So basically you have to define, and this is a 3-mark question, 1 mark for each. Alright. Next question. Basically these were the 2 important questions from this lecture. It was a small lecture.